The core is the basis of all functional movement. In order to have stability, you must first start with a strong core. Most of your athletes can probably run a 5:30 to 6-minute mile, which doesn't always mean that they have a strong core. A lot of times having a weak core can actually lead to instabilities anywhere else in the body, especially with soccer players or lacrosse players in general. One of the tests that we're going to use here at our clinic with our athletes is actually going to be a plank. It's used to help determine a baseline of strength and fitness. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to properly perform a plank. So what you're going to do first is go ahead and go down into the ground onto your knees. You want to pause here and make sure that your knees are about shoulder width apart. Next you're going to go down onto your hands and then slowly walk yourself down onto your forearms. Once you're here, you're going to go into the plank by kicking your legs straight back, raising your hips up a little and tightening your core. Now by tightening your core, I want you to pull your belly button up to your spine. So your back should be flat and your shoulders should be in a nice squeeze together. And you're just going to hold it stabilized. Now your athletes should be able to hold this for a solid minute without coming down. If they can't, we obviously need to work on their core and stability. Aside from your athlete not being able to hold the plank for a minute, some other compensatory actions that we see of someone who doesn't have a strong core is them actually raising their butt up. It actually takes pressure off of the core and it's a good way for them to cheat. So you want to make sure that their planks are nice and flat. This is one of the many tests that we'll be going over here at our workshop to help you keep your athletes on the field and injury-free all season. Hope to see you there.